Welcome to Unit 7, Circles and Composite Figures. We're going to be working on TEK 7.9b, which actually when we look at our target statement means that today we're going to analyze circles and simple word problems so we can apply the formula to determine the circumference of a circle. I'll know I have it when I can correctly answer the riddle and discover the unknown person's identity. So here's my riddle. Clue number 1, I started with $7 in my pocket. Now I am here. Clue number 2, this person's electrifying. They have charisma and they're a star. Clue number 3, do you smell that? Who am I? Well, you're going to be taking the pictures or the little square sections from each problem and copying and pasting them onto this answer bank right here. So each of these are answers to kind of give you a self-check on whether or not you did get the problem correct. Then you're going to type in the name of the person whose picture is right here to show that you were able to answer the who am I. These are the formulas that you're going to be using when solving for the circumference when given a radius. C equals 2 times pi times r, or as people would say, C equals 2 pi r. When solving for the circumference when given a diameter, C equals pi times d, or as other people would say, C equals pi d. So you substitute what you know and then you solve for the variable. Now remember, pi equals this symbol. This is how we say it. And that symbol equals 3.14. So when you're substituting the value of pi, you will put 3.14. All right, so let's get started on our problems in the next slide.